What do you guys think about the Coinbase IPO?
Oh man,
They just pushed it back today, right? They pushed it back to April.
They did.
Yeah, I think so. I saw a story got past me about it. I didn't read it, but I'm going to assume the headline was correct. They pushed it back, and it, it's very interesting that Coinbase having a lot of problems right now. Nothing to do with the actual site itself or problems, but they just got basically in trouble for wash trading, and it's just they got a slap on the wrist. It's not that big of a deal. I think they had to pay like $6 million, or it wasn't even that much, I don't think, or maybe that's how much they traded it. Maybe it was more than that they had to pay. I can't remember exactly, but as they're going public, they've got a lot of this kind of bad press going on at the same time. It makes you wonder if, who's behind that. I don't know, but I'm not investing in IPO. I'm waiting for, basically the price to come down, and then I am going to grab some Coinbase stock, but I think it's certainly going to launch overvalued. I mean, I think that the valuation is $100 billion. They do $1 billion in revenue a year. I mean, you can do the math there.
Yeah, my question would be, an honest question here is, why take the additional risk of investing in Coinbase versus having just exposure to the underlying crypto assets? What's the argument for that would be my question. And
just diversification. That's
diversification.
All. I mean, we all think that there's going to be a bear market. I think most of us think that. Maybe you don't think there's going to be a bear market. I think, 90% of us in crypto believe there will be a bear market. And so what we're doing is, we're already dollar cost averaging out, cash to run our business, over time. And so we're looking for other places to put that. And, of course we're still, making more money on the gains than we're pulling out. But, we want to make sure that when it's time to go through another bear market, that I never do what we did through the last one, lose all our money. So, we're looking for stocks to invest in. And, we actually have a stock segment on my channel every week now on Fridays. I've got a guy, Justin, from A Couple Cents on YouTube, who comes on, and we're going to talk about all kinds of different stocks. And I like the idea of continuing to invest in tech stocks. And of course, we're in a different situation. Probably all of us on the stream are in a different situation than the average person out there watching this. I mean, we've already got enough exposure. Trust me, I own almost every coin on Coinbase, with the exception of, XRP. So, I think that, for me, it's just a diversification thing, and it's something to do with your gains. It's not something to do, like if I had money to invest in one or the other, I'm certainly investing in crypto. We just feel like we've got, enough in crypto right now to move over and, build a stock portfolio.
The thing about the Coinbase IPO is I realize it's apples to oranges, and we actually wrote a small piece about this. If Coinbase is worth $100 billion, what's Uniswap worth? Yeah. Now, I know it's stocks to a token, but I'm watching Uniswap press its high right before we got on here. I swear to God, the day that Coinbase IPO prints 100 billion, regardless of whether it goes straight down or not. I mean, legacy people may FOMO into that just to get involved. But the day the marketplace says Coinbase traded at 100 billion, the whole DeFi space has to catch up to that. Because if Mr. Market accepts, I don't know, 100 billion, 70 billion, whatever, I mean, what's 1inch exchange worth? Look at what Galaxy Digital, Novigratz's hedge fund, GLXY is doing. They got the similar revenue as Coinbase at a quarter of the valuation. So the thing about the Coinbase IPO is if Mr. Market acknowledges that as legit, the whole crypto space is too cheap. All of it.
Hey, Bill, your dating life may be even better. Stephanie in my chat just said you have a really nice smile.
A lot of people asking about that dating life in my chat as well.
Okay, do you guys want the truth? Okay,
Yeah.
so currently, I just moved to San Antonio, right? So I'm working in a crypto firm. I'm in San Antonio. I'm near the Riverwalk, and so far, it's actually been kind of a flaming disaster. It's like crypto's going well, right? But like, how you try to buy that nice altcoin and then it just like goes to zero. That's what it feels like is happening. Now, naturally, if we can use the live stream experience and, when people find out I do podcasts and YouTube, that does make me cooler. I am 51 years old. So there's hope. Okay. Because the bigger the base, the higher in the space. And right now I'm making a base at a very low level. hoping for the moon takeoff. So that's, as we say at Token Metrics, that's the market update.
So ladies in the Santa Fe area or San Antonio area, make sure to hit up Bill. Yeah. He's got a nice
Yes.
smile. And he's a young 51. I mean, got a long time left.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I want to be here for 5,000 Ethereum. Go ahead.
Hey, baby, you want to see my NFT?
Oh my God.
I don't know if that's going to get them.
This is gonna go degen fast.
Look,
here.
I'm married. I've been married for 12 years. Okay. I'm out of the game. I've been out of the game for a while, so I can only live vicariously through you. So,
All right.
Tell us
Well,
more of these dating
we'll have to have a live stream about just that. I'll take notes.
yeah, I think it's called Love Connection. So.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.